Touchdown Singapore! Happy birthday to me! This is Kuala Lumpur. Good morning, guys!
Good morning.
Touchdown Singapore! Sabi nila ito yung best airport in the world. We'll see. Guys, ito ang chika.
Totoo ang chika. Ang
Maganda
Changi
siya.
Airport ay sobrang Changi.
Ayun nga, gusto ko. Hi guys! Dito kami sa Little India. Hi guys! We're riding a cable car right now.
Oh!
Tingnan mo kung sinong takot. Ayaw tumingin sa baba. Going to Sentosa. So, nature nung view. Yung ibang cable car. Ang taas. Oh my
Ay, bongga.
God. Oh my God. Say hi to my vlog. This is what we're eating, guys. We're having Japanese.
Welcome to Vivo Station.
Vivo naman. Grabe naman
Well,
yung
your
vibe.
pass to a buffet of indulgences.
Hello everyone! Ito na kami sa beach station in Sentosa. Bumalik kami sa Sentosa after dinner.
Yes.
Manonood kami ng Wings of Time. Breakfast time.
Yes. Duck.
Duck for breakfast. We're having kaya toast, guys. Bit of pepper.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hataw yan. Sarap.
Wala talaga. Parang kaping barako, tsaka barako. Full day today.
Dito na kami sa Merlion Park. And we're just gonna take a few snaps. Then punta na ng Universal. Ayan yung picture. Practice. Guys, so dito na kami. Merlion Park. Hi guys! Dito na kami sa Universal Studios na hindi pinlano. Wala sa mga plano, pero since
Sa Kalachari.
I can't wait because gusto ko na mag-roller coaster. Hello! We're in Universal! No plan, pero nilibre. Happy birthday to me! John Demon's Prime! Ayan na! Guys, we already rode 2 outdoor coasters. Finished. And it's already 1 p.m. Welcome to Far, Far Away.
Sobrang init. Guys, sobrang init. Bumili kami slushy. Tangi. We're going to Transformers 4D. Kami sa Transformers ngayon at si Allen ay nagdala ng drinks. Tinago niya sa got niya. Video lang ako, hindi ako kinakabahan. Babi, hindi nangangatog ako. Uy, uy. Parang high blood din na ako. Babi, huwag mo iwan.
Dito ka
dito.
lang. Hindi, okay lang yan.
Ayoko dito.
Hinga ka lang. Ba? Hinga ka lang.
Gusto ko sa makapal na napaka.
Hello!
Gusto ko sa makapal na napaka.
Kinakabahan. Nasa taas na kami, guys. These are the super trees. Kabado yung kasama ko. Oh my god, this is so cool! This is what it looks like from the bottom. Ito yung bus namin, guys. Touchdown, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Oh my god, guys! 70 pounds lang to. 2 nights. Boosh. Here's the shower. Toilet. Sink. Closets. Dada. Ito naman yung bedroom area. May 2 queen size beds. So, if ever, pwedeng 4 na tao yun nandito. Maximum. Tapos, TV. Oh, may complimentary water, Bob. May fridge na maliit. Mini fridge. Walang laman. May desk na maliit. Tapos, ito yung view, guys. Nasa 25th floor kami. Hi, everyone.
Hi everyone, so we're leaving the hotel now.
Magko-coffee lang kami. It's April 22, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Kape-kape lang.
Coffee and
Gala-gala.
massage.
And massage later. Ba, ano in order mo?
Caramel latte.
Caramel latte. I'm having... Ano ba?
Sige, yun na lang.
Guys, nag-Malaysia para sa Slurpee sa 7-Eleven. Dito kami sa Rex KL.
Ang cool daw kasi.
Para siyang building na kaming market sa loob. And mga cool shops. Ayun o, cool yan.
Yung popcorn.
Hi guys! We are here in Ray Power Corner. Somewhere in Chinatown. We're gonna have
We're
dinner.
gonna try all their food.
Dinner!
You know.
Ayun!
Ano sa akin? Ha? Sarap nito.
Anghang! Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. It's 8:53 in the morning. We're gonna go have breakfast in Chowkeith. And then, let's see. Baka pag gumanda-ganda yung araw because it's still cloudy and a bit rainy. Maybe we can go to Batu Cave. But if not, we're just gonna go shop around and eat. And then plan namin mag-swimming later. We'll see you guys later.
Forget it.
Breakfast. Heavy
Brunch.
breakfast.
Brunch.
We're in KLCC Park now, guys. Ayan na yung Twin Towers sa likod namin.
The best pineapple juice in the galaxy.
So we're gonna have cheesecake. Here's my hojicha. Sarap.
Bujita. Dito
Hello,
kami
guys.
sa Infinity Pool.
Infinity Pool.
This is the KL Tower. I ordered that pork char siu. Shumai.